Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to find the Hot Caves base camp where a bunch of the later black boxes are located inside of Subnautica 2. We're going to be starting off at the Lifepod, and to go to this area you're going to need the Heat Adaptation, which is from the third angel comb that you need to interact with in this game. One right after that you get the ability to digest, and then we're going to head to the east from the life pod into the lava zone in order to reach our destination. So this is going to be past the area where you first find sulfur over here with these tall pillory spires of coral, and then we're going to head down into this lava heated magma zone into what I would call the primary canyon area. We're just gonna cruise down in here, going below the really big towering spires here and all these donut-shaped fish, into this area with all of these weird alien structures and ruins. What we're looking for is at the very bottom of this little canyon full of old alien buildings. We're going to go inside of these big holes. Once we're inside of here, we're going to cruise down in here. There should be a blue glowing cave. Inside this blue glowing cave are a number of different black boxes for several of the colonists. You should get a signal to be going in here a little bit later. This room is speckled with several of them, including one that's in a weird little hidey hole. You'll find Zip inside of this hole. You'll also find another one of the colonists inside of this hole right here. But where we want to be is the opposite of where we came in. There is this blue cavernous system over here full of dead crabs. We're going to follow this up, make a quick turn. And this pathway actually splits, but we want to just stay to the right as we get past this other dead crab. And as you cruise up through here, you will find the lava base camp. You'll find some more goodies in here, along with some additional unlockables. So that's it. That's how you find the lava base camp, or at least the hot cave base camp, as it's called, inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found that helpful. I'm your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.